Polygroup, experience, technology, quality. Dinaplast Industrial Complex. Plastinova Industrial Complex, home to 5 of the Polygroup companies. Ficasa, established in 1998, is the leading manufacturer in Honduras of PET preforms and bottles. Using the latest European and Canadian technology, it satisfies the needs of the most demanding container customers in the national and Central American market. Injection molding and blown molding. In the first phase of the process, resin is injected into a multi-cavity PET preform mold at a temperature of 220 degrees Celsius, which after injection is cooled down inside the mold by a continuous flow of cold water. The injected preforms are then extracted from the machine using a robotic tool that continues the cooling cycle and then with a precise maneuver places them over a conveyor belt that takes them to cardboard boxes for storage as finished product or semi-finished product for bottle production. During the blow molding process, the preform that was produced in the first phase is then passed through an oven at a temperature of 105 degrees Celsius inside the blow molding machine, and then taken by an internal transfer mechanism that introduces the preform into the molds. While in the mold, a stainless steel rod stretches the preform to the desired height of the finished bottle and blows air at a pressure that ranges between 450 to 500 pounds per square inch. Bottles are then mechanically transferred onto an air conveyor that transports them to packaging in a totally automated process that counts and packs the quantities of containers according to the client's standards. Once this is done, packaged bottles are taken to a finished products warehouse and then to the client's warehouse. Established in 1995, Dinamica Plástica S.A.A. de CV has more than 20 years' experience in producing quality disposable products, taking comfort and hygiene to every Honduran home. Using the most modern and automatic production lines in the world, where human contact is absent, Dinaplast has become the leader of the Central American market in manufacturing of disposable thermoformed and injection molded polypropylene and polystyrene products. Dinaplast sales coverage extends to Central America and the Caribbean. In Central America, from Guatemala to Panama, and Dominican Republic and Jamaica in the Caribbean. The production process of disposable plates and cups consists of 2 stages, extrusion and thermoforming. In the first process, a plastic sheet is extruded from polypropylene or polystyrene resin out of a flathead die that is calibrated to the given thickness of a predetermined final product. The finished rolls are moved to an intermediate product area, ready to be introduced into thermoforming machines. In the second phase, the sheet rolls are mounted onto a thermoforming machine that consists of an oven, a multi-cavity mold station, and an automatic packaging system. The plastic sheet is heated in the oven to a temperature at which it is ductile enough to allow the cups or plates to be formed inside the mold station. Once formed and cut from the sheet, they are stacked, counted, and automatically packaged in a printed film, ready to be put in boxes and shipped to our clients. Forks and spoons are made out of polypropylene and injection molded into a multi-cavity mold. These cutlery items are made in state-of-the-art machinery, also with automatic packaging, which guarantees innocuous products of the highest quality for our national and regional markets. 3D Solutions. 3D Solutions is a company dedicated to development of the most complex applications in blow mold engineering, including construction, modification, and repair of the molding equipment for all the group's companies. The education and certification of its engineers in the United States guarantees the quality of construction of their work. 3D Solutions uses computerized vertical and horizontal machining centers manufactured in the USA to develop projects for thermo and vacuum forming, blow molding, and injection molding applications. The resulting synergistic effect this company has with the other group companies allows for projects to be developed in close relationship with clients and in record times, allowing 3D prototypes to be made and tested in just 48 hours. Plastinova. Packages at another level. Plastinova Industrial started operations on January 2008, dedicated to the transformation and processing of monolayer and co-extruded polyethylene packages for the local and regional market. From this moment, it is considered the leading company in manufacturing and distribution of flexible packaging for the food and textile industry, for which it developed high oxygen barrier packages with elevated printing requirements to satisfy the most demanding and sophisticated markets. Its 10-color Evo XD printing machine from the renowned Italian brand Flexotecnica guarantees its clients world-class quality. Production process. Extrusion. In this phase, the transformation of the different resin types is started through the process of polymerization of the materials. Monolayer materials are produced for standard applications, while co-extruded sheets are made for more complex foodstuff packaging, which need high oxygen barrier and high gloss and transparency for items that need to be displayed on store shelves. Printing. Plastinova is equipped with the most modern flexographic printing machines, which allow it to offer printed packages with high-definition resolution of up to 10 colors. The equipment can automatically adjust color tonality and ink viscosity, which together with a last-generation inspection camera allow the printing machine to operate at very high speeds, maintaining the optimal levels of quality that Plastinova is known for in the local and export markets. In the laminating process, multi-layer products that require medium and high barrier properties are manufactured by laminating 2 or more layers of flexible films whose structure has the ability to reduce or eliminate the passage of 1 or more substances, especially gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide or even water vapor. Performance adhesives with high bonding forces are used during this stage. These adhesives are also free of solvents, which is a requirement for packaging that will be in direct contact with food products. Once the film rolls are printed and/or laminated, they head for the splitting department. Here, master rolls are cut down to single rolls, to the precise specifications of clients' filling or automatic packaging lines. In our conversion department, printed sheets are manufactured into preformed bags, where different accessories are introduced to make the bags more functional, versatile, and easily displayed at the point of sale. Accessories such as easy open or zipper, pre-cuts, hangers, adhesive tape, reinforcement in the header, lips, flaps, perforations, and others. Plastifoam. With the purpose of satisfying the demand for low-cost, high-output disposable product market, Plastifoam S.A.A. de CV was born. It is dedicated to the manufacturing of expanded polystyrene products such as plates, trays, food containers, and others. The technology used for manufacturing of expanded polystyrene sheet was imported from North America and is operated by Honduran engineers trained to the highest level outside the country. This process is extremely sensitive, given that manufacturing requires an injection of butane gas at more than 3,500 pounds per square inch of pressure. The gas, which escapes through a nozzle inside the die, gives the foamy feel to the polystyrene sheet. Once the sheet is rolled up into bobbins, it is stored for 72 hours in a maturation warehouse where the butane gas is allowed to evaporate. Once the maturation process is complete, the bobbins are taken to the vacuum forming production lines, where the plates, trays, and to-go containers are made. Once packaged, the products are distributed in the local market, Central American market, and also the Caribbean. Parallel to the vacuum forming process, the waste reclaim system gathers all sheet trimmings, plasticizes and pelletizes them in order to use them again in the production process. AlphaPack, established in January 2009, manufactures packages of high-quality, low-density, and high-density polyethylene for industrial applications as well as generic grocery bags. In its production process, it uses around 120 tons of post-consumer and post-industrial waste. Like all other Polygroup's companies, the products manufactured by AlphaPack are sold in the National and Central American market. AlphaPack's installed capacity for extrusion of high and low density polyethylene is among the biggest, if not the largest, in the country. It uses Taiwanese technology from the best machine builders in the Asian island. The large installed capacity in this company allows it to penetrate high consumption markets that demand products of excellent quality, while at the same time using recycled products to reduce the price and help clean up the environment.